One of the most world's used social platforms out there is YouTube, holding the second place, which means that it is one of the most used platforms from us. So what we do is we spend a lot of time on YouTube. So why not spending time on YouTube and at the same time earning money from it? That's a great thing, right? I'm going to talk today about a website that is going to make you earn money through watching YouTube videos. So at the same time, you will have fun, entertain yourself, and also enjoy YouTube videos. But at the same time, you are going to earn and increase your incomes very easily. I think this is one of the best and fun methods that you are going to find in 2022 to earn money online. You would just need to listen to me carefully each step. Please don't skip the video till the end, because then won't be able to understand a thing and you won't be able to earn those money online. So without wasting any more time, guys, I will explain to you step by step everything that you will need to know. But first, I would like to thank you for being part of my YouTube channel, and for those who are new, please don't forget to subscribe and have a look at our other videos as well, because you will find different methods how you can earn money online. Now let's dive into the first step. As I said, we are going to explain this method in each step separated, so I will make it easier for you to understand each of those steps. So the first step that you will need to be follow is go to YouTube and find videos that you will be needed to earn money. How you can find those videos? Well, first have in mind that the video should have millions of views, so it will be a video that entertains people. Be focused more on those kind of videos and those YouTube channels. I decided to get as an example this YouTube channel called Be Amazed, in which you will find so many popular videos. As you can see, their thumbnails are very catchy, and also their titles like The Secret or Of the Secret Service, Everyday Things That Prove Our Life Is a Lie. As you can see, those are very clickbait titles. Now I'm going to go with this video over here because I think it's a very interesting one and also has a lot of views. Now after clicking it, what you will need to do is watch the video till the end and decide if it is a good one, if it is a good content. So what you will need to do is watch video and decide which one will be best for you to choose it and work with it and earn money through it. Now I decided for this one I'm going to watch this video till the end and decide if it is a good video, if it is entertaining enough for people and make them earn money, make me earn money through it. Now as you can see, it has 18 million views, so of course it will be a good one. Now I need you to copy the link of it and go to YouTube thumbnail images, because we need to download the image of this YouTube thumbnail. Now after downloading it, you will have the options over here and you will need to download it in HD. Now after having this image on your laptop, I need you to go to the other step on the website PNG3. So here you are going to find graphic resources and you can download them for free. You don't need to sign up or create an account, nothing at all. You can download anything, every graphic design, just for clicking or searching over here anything that you need. I'm going to search for play button over here, and after finding the play button that suits me the best, I'm going to go with this yellow one, but you can choose the red one or the blue one or the black one. It doesn't really matter, it depends on your own taste. And after downloading it on PNG form, you can have it on your laptop and start using it. Now the other step that you need to follow is go to the canva.com. Canva.com, as I have always explained to you guys and I've always told you, is such a great way to create designs for Instagram posts, Instagram stories, Facebook, or any other social media. You are going to find thousands and discover thousands of free templates that Canva offer for you. But today we are going to create by ourselves a new design. Just click on Instagram stories over here, and after clicking it you are going to be able to create your own design. Now just go to the upload part and you need to upload media. I have already uploaded here. Now I need you to click it and put it at this design here, and just put it like this, and then we're going to put the yellow click button over here, and then you just need to put a text like a click the video to watch it. Just as easy as that, you are going to create your own design, and you can put it this text over here. Now you can change the effects and everything else. You can edit the image, and also you can edit the text. You can do whatever you like to, it doesn't really matter. You can download it at your laptop and use it, and as I am going to explain to you. Now the other step is going to be the website. So the website is called LinkSpy. LinkSpy is going to help you to earn money through YouTube very easily. As you can see, the daily traffic, more daily traffics you have, more earnings you are going to get each a day and each a month, guys. Now I need you to sign up for free on this website. You just need to put your email, password, confirm password, prove that you are not a robot, accept terms and conditions, and just as easy as that, not any other details is required from you. You are going to be part of LinkSpy and start earning money. As soon as you have logged in, you are going to go to the shorteners. Now at shorteners you are going to click and see all the information that will be necessary for you, how you're going to earn money through shorteners. To use a LinkSpy, you must link your URL shorteners accounts. All you need are HPI keys. Instructions are attached to every URL shortener below. So what you will need to do is just create account for each shortener account over here, and then you will just need to put the link of the YouTube video that just watched, and after linking it you will start to earn money. Just as easy as that, guys. Now another way in which you can find great traffic source is with another application that you can use on your phone but also on your laptop, which is called Pinterest. I think you might have heard of it, and it is very easily, you can sign up for free also and start using it. Just click on this plus button at the end of it and create a pin. After creating it, you are going to drag this thing that we created together. At the title you are going to put the title of the video, so you don't have to be very creative, everything is ready for you. And here you are going to link the URL video, the link of the video, after pasting over here, and then you can post it. So after posting it, for each click that you are going to get, you are going to earn a lot of money. Just as easy as that. Thank you guys for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe and also have a look at our other videos as well.